I'm just getting ready to turn 65, and my mailbox has gotten too small for all the advertisements that's coming into it. It's practically ready to blow up. What do I have to do to find out to get some good advice on what I should do?
Thank you, Dad. That is a great question that 70 million people on Medicare are asking themselves every year. Why is my mailbox filling up with all this paper? Why is every TV ad about Medicare and the radio, and it's nonstop seminars everywhere and booths everywhere I go? That is because there's over 70 million people on Medicare, and if you have Medicare Advantage or a Part D drug plan, the government has made a small window for you to change that plan annually. And that is between October 15th and December 7th. So you got 70 million people on Medicare that have to make a change. Now, they don't have to, because you don't have to do anything. But a good move would be to call your agent and do like an annual checkup, like you would get an annual physical. You can start to talk to your agent about the new plans for the upcoming year on October 1st of every year. Now, they'll know what the new benefits are going to look like, the changes. They'll know it in June and July and August and September, but by law, we agents are not allowed to talk about it to the public, to put it in social media, to put it on our website, to even talk to you about it at the family picnic. Can't talk about it until October 1st. You can change your plan starting October 15th of every year. And anybody can change their plans, okay? In Medicare Advantage plan, there's only one health question. That's, do you have end-stage renal disease? So as long as you're not on kidney dialysis and you need a transplant, it doesn't matter what else you have in your health going on, you can change your plan. Now, people make the mistake because there's so much hype, they're bombarded with so much information, and they've all started to learn that this period, they called AEP, the annual election period, this is when you can change your plan. And they confuse that, Med Advantage and your drug plan, with Medicare Supplements. Medicare Supplements do not have an AEP. They're not controlled by the federal government. They are governed by each state. So, with a Medicare supplement plan, you don't have an annual period you can change. You can change anytime. You could change every day, every month. The only barrier to changing a Medicare supplement plan is your health. As long as you're healthy, and let's say you have controlled blood pressure, controlled diabetes, not over 50 units of insulin, you have a little cholesterol, but it's controlled, you're healthy, you're like the average American, you would be able to change your plan. You'd be able to change from one Medicare supplement plan to another plan and potentially get the same plan with the same benefits and save money. You don't have to wait until the end of the year. You can do that anytime. Now, if you have a drug plan, you have to wait till the end of the year. So all that information you're getting, all that stuff is in your boxes because the companies all want your attention, and there's a small window for them to get it. So there's no need to have panic. You're bombarded by all of it. We can make sense of it. Call us. My family and our agents can help you figure out what the right choice is, whether you need to stay with the plan you're on because it's taking good care of you, or whether you need to change to another plan. That's something that we can easily take care of you on the phone with a little information. It's a free consultation. It's worth your time to shop it and see what next year's benefits look like and how your current plan might be getting better or might be getting worse. Thank you for watching. If you have specific questions or general questions, you can ask me in the comments. You can call our agents. Our number's on the screen, and we're happy to help you with your specific questions. Remember, talking to us is always free.